Our project with Tailored Living started like any other. We had a problem that needed solved. Our garage was so unorganized and cluttered that we could only fit one car in it. We chose Tailored Living to overhaul our garage with storage solutions and garage flooring. They came for an in-home consultation where they measured the space and walked through everything with us. We got to design everything with them right there with a 3D mock-up on their computer. We got to completely customize the space according to our own storage and organizational needs. Once our beautiful new garage flooring was dry, they got to work on the cabinets. The shelving in the cabinets are uniquely designed to fit the different sizes of our storage bins. After the cabinets were installed, they got to work on the workbench and the slat wall. Now all of our garden tools are hung on the wall and all of our bins are properly stored away in the cabinets. We can now fit 2 cars in the garage. I highly recommend calling Tailored Living today.